Hi everyone, this is Nishant from TechRoot Solutions Private Limited. So today we are going to see about what is FOTI Analyzer and what are the things it will do. FOTI Analyzer is the centralized logging and reporting tool for all FortiGate devices like FortiFirewall, Firewall, FortiMail, Mail, FortiSandbox, Sandbox, EMS servers, and so on. So it will collect all the logs from all the devices and analysis and show it in the user friendly manner. So let's go into this session. FortiAnalyzer Analyzer, it will provide the deep analysis for all the threat events, and also it will analyze all the packets and it will show in the user friendly manner. So it can able to collect all the logs from the FortiGate devices like FortiClients, FortiManager, FortiSandbox, FortiWeb, FortiAuthenticator, and FortiMails. FortiAnalyzer, it will show all the packet incident responses and what are the action taken for those packets. FortiAnalyzer can provide two types of major operations like Network Operating Center and Security Operations Center. Network Operations Center. So the name implies that it will analyze all the network packets and it will detect the threats in the network level. Security Operations Center. So Security Operations Center majorly works in the endpoint devices to protect this endpoint from all the vulnerable patches. And also we can able to generate the reports in multiple formats like PDF, HTML, CSV, and XML. Now let's go into the quick demo of FortiAnalyzer. This is the FortiAnalyzer console. So in this console we can see Device Manager, FortiView, Log View, Fabric View, FortiSOCs, the reports, and the system settings. So the system settings. In the system settings, we can able to see all the information related to the FortiAnalyzer, such as serial number, the platform, the HS status, the system time, the firmware, and the license, and so on. And the next is the administrative domain. So the administrative domain, which is responsible for to add the multiple Forti devices. And the next is the storage info. So this is the storage info for the FortiGate devices. And next is the network. So we can able to assign the multiple IP addresses for all the interfaces. In the HS status, if the FortiAnalyzer is deployed in the high availability mode, we can able to see the operation mode over here. The next is the device manager. In the device manager, we can able to add multiple devices. So to add a device, click on the add device and fill on the related information and just click next. So the device will added over here. Next is the FortiView. In the FortiView, we can able to see all the topmost domains which is used by the users and the topmost users who consume the network traffic. So in the top thread, we can able to see the compromised threads and the category and the threat level score and the threat action which is been blocked or allowed, and the threat level and the incident time. So how much time the threat tries to hit into the device or in the network. And in the threat map, we can see where the threat get originated. In the compromised host, we can able to see the host which was affected from the threat. So now this device is affected from the threat. In the top source, we can able to see which source device generate the higher amount of network traffic and the session counts and their actions. So here this is the source device and the source interface is WAN and the threat score is this one. And the top destination. The destination would be the public world. And next is the top application and website. So in the top application, we can see the topmost domain which is used by the users and their threat actions and their risks and their byte counts. And the top website domains. These are the website domains and their categories, their browsing time, their threat scores and their actions we can able to see those things over here. In the VPN, we can able to see the VPN usage of the user and when he was connected, when he was disconnected, and the device transfer and the duration of the VPN. We can able to see all this information under the VPN tab. Next is the log view. In the log view, we can able to see the real-time traffic and their data usages and their actions and the source and the destination IP. So under the FortiGate, as I said earlier, so in this page we can able to see their device ID, from which device the traffics get generated, and their policy action which was taken, and their source IP, the destination, and the application, which application they are trying to access, and those things we can able to see over here. In the antivirus, if any device was compromised by the antivirus, we can able to see here the application control logs. So these are the application control logs which was generated by the source IPs. That means the LAN users. So these are their application categories and the applications and the action which was taken for this application and the URL, the host names. Under the web filter, we can able to see all the URLs which was used by the users and their send and receive counts, the date and the time. DNS filter. So DNS filter is same as the web filter. If we configure the DNS filter in any of our security devices, the logs will generate over here. Like as the data leak prevention, the email filter. So what are the things we have configured in our security devices? All the logs will come over here. Next is the fabric view. In the fabric view, we can able to add the storage from the clouds, and also the FortiEMS from the cloud are also in the on-premises. So to add a fabric connector, click on create new. So these are the connectors we can able to add in the FortiAnalyzer to monitor them. Next is the FortiSOC. FortiSOC, which proactively monitor all the end devices in the networks, and we can able to detect the threat before affecting into the networks. So it requires a separate license from the FortiAnalyzer to create a playbook. That is, playbook means it is a rule to run on the end devices. We need to click over here. So these are the different playbooks which were by default it is in the FortiAnalyzer. Next is the reports. FortiAnalyzer by default it consists of multiple reports built in it. So we need to click on the report. Which report we need to take? We need to just click on the report and we need to run the report to see what are the usage which was used by the networks. So to run a report, just select the report which we need to run and click on the run report. So the report will run in the backend and we can able to see the report status over here. Now the report generator stops. So we can able to see the reports in multiple formats: the HTML, PDF, the XML, and the CSV. So now let's see the report in the PDF format. So this is the FortiAnalyzer reporting format. So in this we can able to see what are the websites we have used and the bandwidth and the number of sessions we have consumed. These are the things included in the FortiAnalyzer report format. And also we can able to create multiple report as per our needs. To create a customized report, we need to click on the create new and we need to enter the desired name and the categories and what are the things we need to have in the report. We just enter into that. To insert a chart, click on the insert chart. So it will navigate into the multiple fields. So what are the chart values and how much it will be there and what is the title for the chart. So these are things we need to fill it and just click OK. So the created report will reflected in this all reports. So after the report get reflected over here, click on the report and run the report. We can able to see the generated report over here.